Alright guys, so you can see it's just emptying the water from the first rinse that I started. And there you can see the auto dispenser unit is dispensing the fabric softener. Might see better if I turn my light off. Turn kitchen light 1 off.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Turn kitchen light 1 off.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Turn off kitchen light 1.
Sorry, I didn't get. Okay, the kitchen light 1 is off.
I know some people like to actually do more than one rinse because the first rinse gets sort of like out all the like the soap out and whatever, and then they do another rinse and whatever. But I find I've had this machine since the beginning of March this year, so it's March 2016, and I find that I just do the one rinse to be more economical with sort of like the water, the machine using less water, also the electric as well, it uses less electricity, and I find that the one rinse is fine, because I know with some people, if the detergent's left in the clothes, it sort of makes you itch and whatever, but I'm fine, like, because I don't wear a vest, and I'm fine. It doesn't make me itch or anything. It doesn't bring me out in a rash or whatever, and like I know you're not supposed to like advertise any products on YouTube, but the detergent that I use starts with the letter A, and and as it says, it don't bring me out in any rash or anything. So the one rinse for me is fine, but as it says, I know some people are really sensitive, and their skin's really sensitive, and it brings them out in a rash. But as it says with me, just the one rinse is fine. and I don't come out in a rash. It don't make me itch or anything, so it saves me some money on the electricity, and it saves the water as well. So everything's all good. We've got 1 minute left on this now, so you'll actually see what the machine does when it finishes this cycle. It will actually turn itself off rather than actually keeping the machine on and just rotating the drum, which is obviously burning electricity. It will actually just switch itself off and just leave the clothes sitting in the water. So you'll see this in a minute. So it's inviting me to actually check the eco check. I won't do that. I'll actually there you go. And as it says, as you see, it's turned itself off now. So I'll leave these sitting there in the 5 minutes for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and start a spin cycle. The one thing that I've found out or noticed with this machine, is like with my old washing machine, even though, as it says, it burns electricity because it leaves the machine on, but it leaves the clothes sitting in the water, and it just rotates the drum with the clothes sitting in the water. But with this washing machine, what I've noticed, right, sorry, with my old washing machine, I used to leave it for about half an hour, 45 minutes, with it rotating the drum. But with this machine, right, what I've noticed is that if you leave it that long, if you leave it for about 45 minutes or whatever, with the water sitting in the drum, it sort of confuses it. When you come back to actually switch it on, to actually do the rinse cycle or whatever, it sort of like confuses it. And when you come to actually do the cycle, it sort of confuses it, and the cycle sort of gets messed up and whatever. So I just sort of like leave it for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so, and then I'll just come and do the rinse cycle, which is more than enough. When you actually take the clothes out, they smell really nice basically, and that lasts for about a week or so. So I'll leave this for about 5 minutes of clothes. So with the clothes sitting in that water, and then I'll come and do a spin cycle. But I'm absolutely amazed how clean that t-shirt is. So as it says, from now on, unless I'm washing something that's like really dirty, I'll just use that cold cycle, which is going to save me a hell of a lot of money, sort of like on my electricity bill. It's absolutely amazing, this washing machine. I'm the best thing that I bought basically. You know, like I'm saying, it does cost a lot of money, but it's worth every single penny basically. But anyway, that's enough of me blabbering on. I'll go upload these videos onto YouTube for you guys to watch. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, thanks. Bye now. Bye.